So this is how ShowerLoop looks fully assembled. You have 3 cabins and each of those is a Durastyle 68 model, and in order to assemble such a cabin you can find the manual in the internet. It's pretty straightforward. So all the cabins are connected using these thin pipes to this thick pipe. So check this out. This is like a pipe to the shower head, right? This is just closed. And this pipe, we have 3 of those, which are connected to this thick pipe, right? And pretty much this is just like one element. You can even like not disassemble this whole like thing, like one pipe and 3 small pipes. And this element is connected here. You would unscrew to connect to this big element, which is 2 metal plates and 2 filters, which are also connected here. And this is pretty much like one element, right? What you can do is you can just like unscrew this to replace filters, right? Next, one more detail which needs to be connected right here using like a big wrench. This is like one element which goes to the pump right here. You would connect it here to the pump, to the outlet, right? And the inlet of the pump, you would, so in order to feed the pump, right, you use another element which is like this, and it goes to the pump, right, to the pump. So you need to have this valve open, right, in order for water to come out of the tank, and this obviously. So when the valve is in closed position, you can connect or disconnect using this. So you do like this, and then you can like disconnect this element here and here. Okay, so that's how you would unscrew or screw this pipe to the pump, just like right here. Okay, outlet from the pump goes here, and now I'm disassembling right here. See, like this is like stays and this rotates. It's easy as that. So the same happens on the outlet line to the cabins. We can just easily disassemble it here. Okay, so let's focus on the sewage. So you see, let's say from this cabin, it's like this element. Then from the middle cabin is this element, and from the last cabin is this element, and also you have this element, which actually is a sewage line towards the tank. All of that can be assembled and disassembled just by hand. And also this is like just like a sock or a tights, which is additional pre-filter element. So in order to disassemble, you just do something like this, and pretty much you can, all these connections can be like just by hand. So after we disconnect all the cabins from the feeding, we have this element is fully disconnected now, as you can see, and we can just pull it apart.